Alright, in today's video, I'm very excited. We have an OFRA, I don't know if you would call it a mystery bag. It is called, let me read it exactly. This is the Summer Holo, I was going to say Holo, Holo Tote Bundle. This puppy is $59 from OFRA Cosmetics. So, if you want to see what's inside, hear my thoughts and opinions, and is it worth the $59? Keep on watching. Alright, so I just got this in the mail, and you can see I have not opened it at all. It came in like a really big box. The box is way over there. So let's open her up and see what's in here. Oh, this bag is beautiful. It's exactly what it says. It's like holographic. That is beautiful. I don't know what you can see because of the ring lights. But it says OFRA here, and then it has the logo. Can you see? It's really pretty. This is great to take to the beach or anywhere. All right, and then it's packaged really nice inside. Yeah, so there's the bag. Really nice. Yeah, and it's a summer Holo Tote Bundle. Yeah, for 59 bucks. I do have a code. It's justanne in all caps that can save you some money off with anything from OFRA. Okay, so, ooh, okay. All right. I like this. So you get 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 things. Okay, so the first thing is an highlighter. So this is from Star Island, and I love this highlighter. That's what she looks like. And these are like $35 a piece. OFRA is one of my favorite higher end brand highlighters. I really like these because they don't have any glitter in them. They're just sheen, and look at that. And you can make them as blingy as you want. You can make it like subtle, you know. So they're not really subtle, but you know, you know what I'm saying, right? And yeah, I really love OFRA's formulator and highlighter, so I'm glad to get this. Okay, so the next thing it says, do the do. This is a shimmer body lotion. Ooh. Oh, and this is right up my alley. It's the color. It's in Moonstone. Yes. Okay, so you have a pump. Put a little. I love to put this stuff on my chest and different things. Especially when I'm wearing like a summer dress. So pretty. So it's not like glitter, you know what I mean? It's just so pretty. It'll make your skin look very like shiny, like smooth, nice, moisturized, if that makes any kind of sense. Oh, that is just so pretty. I wish you could see it in person, but all right. I am really happy to get this. Really happy. Okay. 2 for 2. Okay, the next thing we have, kind of like, it's a setting spray. This is a makeup fixer, and you guys know my favorite is from Gerard Cosmetics. I have a code with them too. It's justanne in all caps, and you save 30% off of there. And look, see, I used today. I go through these so much, and I don't know if they really make the makeup last longer, but what I like these for is what? Pop the bubbles. What I like these for is after you put your powder on, I like spraying my face and then taking my dampened beauty blender and pushing it in, and it kind of like melts in your skin that you don't have that cakey look. Do you know what I mean? One thing I also like, look how they tape it up so it doesn't spill. All right, let me spray and see what it smells like. Oh, that smells good. Let's just say, I don't have a beauty blender on me right now, but let me look. It doesn't make me have like those drops. I hate that, so, and it feels good. I like it. Okay, so I'll definitely use this. I go through them so much. All right, 3 more things. The next thing we have a serum. This is a, what does this say? B5 serum. I didn't really know OFRA had like skincare. I knew they had skincare, but not like this type of stuff. This is Has B5 and sodium hyaluronic dry skin saver. You definitely need this type of stuff for summer, definitely, because for me, I can say my skin gets so dry in the summer. So it's like a, you know, like a serum. Yes. This is going to be great for my walk and talks too, you know, to put this on. All right, so I'm happy for that. Then the last two products are makeup. So this is the liquid lipstick. I have on one today. I do like their formula. And what shade you be? I can't tell. Let's open her up and see. Bal Harbor. I don't have this. This looks like a brownie color. I have this on today. So almost looks like this is more redder. This is Canyon. That's what I have on today. All right. So that's what it looks like. Ooh, that is pretty. Yep. Yeah, I have Canon on, and then I have right in the middle, I have Breathing, the Dragon Beauty. I have right in the middle. All right, I'm going to wear this and love it. Right up my alley. And last but not least, we have a palette. So this is the signature palette in Galaxy. I believe these are the purple ones. There we go. Yes, I don't have this one. So you get a nice mirror, and those are the colors. And this highlighter here is Neptune. Okay. Oh, that's pretty. So here's a shimmer. Here's like that, you can wear it as, it's a highlighter, or you can wear it as a shimmer shade. Ooh, look at that. They are gorgeous. All right, and let's swatch the three mattes. Right there. Okay, so that's going in once. Let's see if I can build it up. Oh yeah, that's going in twice. So it's definitely buildable. I think it's really, really pretty. I really do. Okay, so let's go over everything that you would get in your summer tote. So you get this like setting spray. Oh, this is just gorgeous. I think this is my favorite thing. This is the Shimmer Body Lotion. You get a serum. And everything here is full size. You get the highlighter in Star Island. You get a liquid lipstick right here. That's going to go perfect with the eyeshadow, right? And then you get the palette. Oh, and the bag. And the bag. You can't beat this for $59. And like I said, if you use my code, you save some money off. And there we go. Yeah, I definitely think it was worth the money. Let me know what you think. Would you get this? Did you know that they had it? Are you going to get it? Let me know down below what you think of this little bundle. And yeah, that's everything, guys. Please like this video. It really does help me out, or dislike it. That helps me out as well. Leave a comment. Let me know. Like I said, let me know if you would get this for $59. Like I said, if you use my code, you can save some money off. But let me know, is this something that you would get? And yeah, that's everything, guys. Stay beautiful, stay blessed, stay healthy, and most importantly, always stay you. And I will see you in my next video. Bye, guys. Hey, I think this is really, really good. I cannot wait to use this eyeshadow palette. No, I cannot. Where's my makeup wipe?